Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty decorative wall mirror using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree 8-inch mirrors, some of these shower curtain rings, some silver mini spoons, a couple of these glass beaded bracelets, some silver spray paint from Rust-Oleum, my E6000, glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll have the complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the cardboard and the mirror from its frame, and then I glued a row of my curtain rings around the frame using my E6000 and hot glue. I then added a second layer of the shower curtain rings right on top. Next, I added a second row of the shower curtain rings around my frame. I then added a second layer to my second row. "15 minutes later, I flipped my design over and I added some additional hot glue just to give my design some extra security. I then removed as many of the glue strings from the front and the back of my design as possible. I then gave my design a good coat of my spray paint, and when it was dry, I used these spoons to cover up the closures. And to cover up the closures closest to my frame, I used some of these crystal beads from this necklace. I simply cut them from their strand and I added them using my hot glue gun and glue sticks. Minutes later, I turned my design over and I used a very thin layer of my E6000 to add my mirror and my cardboard back to its original frame. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirror, again removed as many of the glue strands as possible, and here was my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.